Of course, transportation infrastructure is a big concern for engineers in the wake of yesterday's quake.
So how did our state's bridges and roads hold up? ABC4's Jason Nguyen joining us live in that Midvale area with the answer. Jason?
Hey, good afternoon there, Emily and Rick. So far, the Union Park flyover heading westbound on I-215, the bridge right behind me here, is the only one that has been closed down today because of damage from that earthquake. Now, officials say that as a precaution, that they're going to be working on this for the next couple of days. Now, crews, they may need to bring in a crane to completely look over this entire bridge. 13 inspection teams are out today looking at 625 bridges. All of those bridges are in the earthquake zone, and at last count, UDOT engineers have checked more than 325 of them.
The ones that we do have concerns about, any questions, we're just taking them out of the mix right away. We're not taking any chances with the safety of our bridges.
Now, the good news today is our state roads appeared not to be damaged by the earthquake. UDOT engineers say that the roads and bridges were built to withstand earthquakes like the ones we received yesterday. Coming up in the next half an hour, I'll have more on that. I'm Jason Nguyen, live in Midvale, ABC4 News.